You're a smart commuter. You already know that ride sharing is a great way to save money and the environment. So why not get rewarded for your efforts with Way2Go Charlotte? Sign up and begin receiving rewards today. Let's get started. First, go to way2gocharlotte.com and register, filling out your name, email, home and work zip codes, and sign up for any networks you're part of. After you register, you're ready to log your trips. You can log your trips using the online dashboard. Start by selecting the Dashboard tab. To log your commutes, select your commute information, including date, departure, and return times, distance, and mode of travel. Log each day to track your trips: carpool, walking, biking, van pool, telecommuting, and public transit trips earn you points. Prefer to log your trip using your smartphone? That's easy. Download the Commute Tracker app. Visit the Apple or Google Play Store, select and download the app, then when prompted, grant the app permission to use your location. The app will detect the Way2Go Charlotte program. Click on its icon. Enter the 6-character connect code found on top of your online dashboard page above the calendar. Now enter the street addresses for your home and work locations in the spaces provided. The app will automatically detect trips between your home and work. Select your mode of travel. You're ready to start logging. Get ready to start earning rewards. You'll be competing with your friends and coworkers. You can form a team for any challenge with the Challenges dashboard under the Challenges tab and selecting Create Team. Then you can send your friends the team's URL and they can sign in and join. As you keep logging, your trips will go toward your team's participation and you can help your team receive prizes. Are you new to alternative commuting? That's okay. Way2Go Charlotte is the one-stop shop to all clean commuting options. You can find options on the dashboard by inputting the addresses for your start and destination. You can also search general categories such as pizza in those fields if you don't have a specific address. Then click View My Commute Options. You'll receive results of options including transit routes, walking, biking, and carpool partners, including those in the same networks as you. If you want to reach out to a potential carpool partner, just click Connect. All options will show you the amount of CO2, money, and miles saved by using a cleaner option. You can also favorite your commute and come back to it later or share it with a friend using the Commute ID. Have any more questions? Go to ridetransit.org. Happy logging!